Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another tutorial from the Error Reference channel. If you're looking to learn professional tips for managing virtual machines, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore a method that many people overlook: how to add a shared folder to a VirtualBox virtual machine using the command line, or CMD. You might be thinking, why use CMD when VirtualBox already has a graphical interface? Well, the answer is simple. When you're working with multiple virtual machines, or want to automate your tasks, the command line is much faster, more flexible, and professional. If you're using other virtualization tools like VMware or Hyper-V, this method will not work for you. What will you learn in this video? Creating a shared folder on the host system, running CMD as administrator, making sure the virtual machine is turned off, and using the VBoxManage command to add the shared folder. So if you want to use VirtualBox like a pro, stay with me until the end. Before opening CMD, we need to create the folder we want to share between the host and the guest. Go to the CR drive and create a folder named SharedFolders. If you want to use a different name or location, that's fine. Just remember to update the path in the command later. Step 2. Run CMD as administrator. Click on the Start menu or press the Windows key. Type CMD, then right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. This is necessary because some commands require full access. Step 3. Make sure your virtual machine is turned off. If it's currently running, please shut it down before you continue. Running the command while the machine is active may cause errors. Step 4. Run the command to add the shared folder. In CMD, enter the following line and press Enter. Let's break it down. The path points to VBoxManage.exe, which manages VirtualBox from the command line. Error reference is the name of your virtual machine. Replace it with yours. Name sets how the folder will appear in the guest system. Hostpath defines where the folder is located on your host. Automount makes sure it gets mounted every time the VM runs. Step 5. Find your virtual machine's exact name. If you're not sure what it is, use this command in CMD. This will list all your virtual machines. Each name appears inside quotation marks. Use that exact name in the command. Section 10. Final result. If you've followed everything correctly, the folder will appear in your guest operating system the next time you run the virtual machine. Congratulations! You've now added a shared folder to VirtualBox using CMD, like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to support the Error Reference channel. Until the next tutorial, take care and goodbye.